One of the most exciting products in Nu-Calgon's history is AC EasySeal, a product that can be used to repair refrigerant leaks in AC systems or refrigeration systems. It utilizes innovative technology that enables the sealant to travel with the system refrigerant, finding and repairing leaks quickly and efficiently. Today, we have Dave Fantle, who is an HVACR technician and has operated his own business for 30 years. His current project involves a 24,000 BTU Larkin coil from 1978 at a bakery in Summit, New Jersey. The walk-in freezer cannot be down for more than 3 to 4 hours to maintain the inventory of the refrigeration unit. Dave used AC EasySeal from Nu-Calgon and was able to save the bakery time and money.
This is a Larkin 1978 24,000 BTU coil for -10 below zero. Up on the roof is a 5 horsepower condensing unit. If EasySeal was not invented by Nu-Calgon, I would have had to have changed this coil, which would have probably cost roughly $8,000 with time and labor. As you notice, this threaded rod through the ceiling, along with probably being down for 1 if not 2 days. And if you have a customer here that cannot be down for more than 3 hours when you're a bakery and you have a lot of frozen products. Therefore, I put in the EasySeal back in November, and ever since then, it has been full of Freon and it has worked. Here we have a Larkin coil, 6-fan freezer coil. Back over here, behind the support bracket, which holds the tubing together when they made the coil, up in this area, I'm going to shine my light. In this spot where I move the fins out of the way and the bracket, approximately 4 inches in, was where the leak is. Now I say to myself, do I try and solder on something that probably is leaking on the opposite side of the pipe that I cannot see after I used bubbles, okay, or fluorescent bubble juice, which bubbles when you see the leak, or do I try EasySeal? Well, I tried the EasySeal, and again, like I said, since November, this system is still full of gas. As you can see here, I bent the bracket away and I moved some of the fins out of the way just to see and make sure that that's where the leak was. And the leak is so big that if you were to put your ear approximately in this spot, you will actually hear the leak before I put the EasySeal in. That's how big the leak was. And the EasySeal has prevented it from leaking ever since.
AC EasySeal has been engineered to travel through a refrigeration or an air conditioning system with the refrigerant, allowing it to find leaks faster and using less sealant than competitive products. It works with all refrigerants, and because AC EasySeal is in a pressurized can, it is easily injected into any refrigeration or AC system in just 2 minutes, saving the contractor time and money. For more information on AC EasySeal, please visit us on the web at nucalgon.com.